So yeah, this is a new one. I would be showing you how to create images, 2D, 3D images on Gemini that you can use for your storytelling, advert designs, and edits. So let's just get right into it. So once you're on Gemini app like this, you need to enter this prompt. To just tell you to create image of like a 3D image. Just tell you to create a 3D image of a black man walking down a stormy road with lots of runners. So we'll check what it gives us. We didn't like really put much of our ability into this entry prompt, so we will check what it works with. So you see what it gave us. It just gave us basically a random image with a random size and in a random environment. So now I don't like this, so I might need to retweak the prompt a bit. So I'll just need to edit the prompt. So I'll be editing the prompt to add much more detail. So let's say 4K quality. Then we need to also talk about the size, Instagram portrait size, for our portrait size post. Then let's say the background should be blurred, like the focus should be on the guy. Then shot on a DSLR camera. Okay, I would say I need to edit that, but it understands. So shot on a DSLR camera, then it will create the image. So then you see the difference between this and our previous image it created. So let's wait a bit, still creating. Okay, it's about to complete. So now you can see the result it gave us. It gave us the runner guy in the midst of a lot of other runners. Then you can see it's much more better than the earlier. You can see the size is Instagram portrait size. We can crop it and use it to our advantage. Then you can see, but I wanted a 3D cartoon effect. So as it didn't give me the 3D cartoon effect, I'll need to re-edit this and like do a bit of tweak to it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on that, then I'll be clicking on that. So let's see. Okay, let's enter this prompt to just like touch it up a bit to get much better results. So this is what we'll do. We'll tell it, okay, turn into a 3D cartoon effect, image effect here. So let's do this. Let's see what it gives us. You see the difference between this and the other image it gave. So basically you need to just work on your prompt. That was what we covered in just concluded SWC AI implementation lab cohort 1. So cohort 2 is happening soon, and I would want you guys to also benefit from this. So it's creating our image. Let's see what it gives us now. You can see the image it's about giving us. It is going to be a bit different than what it gave us earlier. So you can see now we now have a cartoon 3D effect. You can see we now have a cartoon 3D effect where the runner is there. You can see the background, and if you want the background characters to be black, we can also state that, but since we didn't state that, you can see it's much more clear and clean. So if you're a story writer or something, you want to create a YouTube channel, you could basically use this kind of images to write your story, then add captions. Thank you.